Yeah, I bet he got pepper sprayed.
Probably.
My head kind of looks like a potato today.
Okay.
I don't know, I'm just not digging my head shape right now. Hey guys, I'm Bubblegum Ninja and welcome back to my channel. If you saw my last video, my birthday haul, you'll see that I had a different background and it was this right here because I am living in a new place. I am in an apartment with 3 other girls and we all go to UW, and so I'm really excited to show you my apartment today. That's all I got. So I'm just gonna quickly go through the apartment, give you some spatial stuff and mostly go through my half of the room. But yeah, let's get on to it. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna be vlog styling like this. I'm gonna turn you around, but I just want to show you here's our front door, and then you turn around and we just have these keys right here where we put all of our keys. And then let's quickly go left. They're not here right now, so I didn't tell them to clean or anything, but they have a giant walk-in closet. And here is Stella and Cameron's room. Sorry that it's messy if that's bothering you, Stella and Cameron, but it's really cute. So now when you come around, this is the first room that you see, and this is the living room. This is where we spend all of our time. So we just have this couch over here. That's from Pottery Barn, I think. We got it from Stella's aunt or something. It's really nice. We actually got this blue table thing from a Goodwill. It was like 10 bucks or something. If you recognize this lamp, then you're an OG. It was in my apartment last year. This is my little corner. I have my yoga mat here, and then this beautiful thing, which you should watch my birthday haul video. I have a record player, which I've had for about 6 months, and then I just have all of my records down here, and I could do a collection video if you want, and I can talk about them. Then I have this Keeping It Real poster, which is so cute and groovy, and it just kind of goes with the vibes. And then we have more lights and ready, bum, 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 TV, and yes, that's my Xbox. So we get to watch Netflix. We pretty much watch New Girl all the time, which I've never seen. I can't believe I've never seen it. It's literally one of my favorite shows now. It's amazing. But yeah, then we have this little black grid board, and here's Stella's gorgeous pictures of us. Aren't I so pretty? And yeah, that's that. And then into our little kitchen. It's small, but it's more than good enough. We just have lots of appliances and stuff. There's always dishes in there, even though we have a dishwasher. But there's our microwave. We have a really nice new stove oven thing. A bunch of storage and cabinets. That's all full of food. We have another window there for light. And then here's our little cart with lots of appliances. We have a toaster, a really nice blender, a Vitamix, and then Stella's espresso machine. And it was my genius idea to put an extension cord here, and so we can just pull it out and plug those in when we need to. Alright, so that is that for the shared space. Never mind, we have to do the bathroom as well. But this is the rest of the hallway. Here's my mirror. This dress is from American Eagle. I really like it. I wore it to a interview training thing today. And then here's the bathroom at this end of the hall. I just have this ocean shell curtain, but we have a mirror cabinet thing where we keep our stuff. Just a little sink and a toilet. It's actually so funny. Look at this sign, Stella. Warning, the toilet is damn aggressive. Not exaggerating. Here, I'll show you. And that is why you don't flush the toilet when other people are sleeping. Okay, so here's our closet. We have yet another walk-in closet. Thank God. Except the dumb part is it only came with one rod. Amy was cool and said I could have it, and then she bought an IKEA thing. I'll show you. But yep, there's my clothes. I could do a closet tour for you.
Yikes.
Do you want to get out, or are you good? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So here's an overview of our room. And now I'll quickly show you Amy's side. She just has these cute hexagon cutouts. Her desk is really cute with all her books and stuff. A little whiteboard calendar. Same as last year. And then this is the IKEA rack I was talking to you about. And then, oh, I love her bedding. It's all purples and blues, and it's super cute. Okay, so here's my desk. I have this chair, which is a really nice one from Amazon. It's super comfy. And this desk is from IKEA. this is like the Alex desk, I think, and those are the, I don't remember what it's called. This is just a drawer thing that like slides out. It's not a part of it, but it fit together perfectly. I love how that goes. So this lamp was also from my room last year, and then I have this really cute picture of my brother and I. My Polaroid, a candle. This alarm clock is my favorite thing ever. I don't use it as an alarm, but it like has color changing and it has a radio, which I love to play. And then here's just my laptop with all my stickers on it. And then I always like this candle. It's a stress relief candle from Bath & Body Works, the eucalyptus spearmint one. Then I have like a Good Vibes, whatever, Himalayan salt rock lamp. And then for decoration, I have this map and then this picture of a red panda that I did. And then here's my glasses. If you haven't seen them, they're really cute new ones with like white on the edges. So then in this top drawer, this was my junk drawer, but now it's my organized junk drawer because I got this organizer. So I just have like school stuff, wallet, random stuff. And then in this one, I have like my everyday things like some medicine, and that's where I put my laptop when it's charging usually, and like a journal. And then in this top drawer, I have my everyday things like deodorant, brush, makeup remover, eye drops, contacts. Down here is what I use less regularly, but still a lot. I have my heat styling tools like hairsprays and face aloe sprays and lotion, and this is not a pregnancy test. It looks like one, but it's a waxing strip, I promise. This is my backpack. And then over here, this is kind of my like little tiny corner of cluster stuff. I have this from Target. I also had that in my dorm from last year. I will link my dorm video from last year down below. But here's my makeup organizer. Let me know if you want to see a college makeup collection video. I have my mirror, which I just pick up and move up to my desk. It has two sides, magnification. Then in this little basket, I have like perfume, vitamins, face masks. And then the holy grail, my bed is new this year, and isn't it just freaking gorgeous? I'm literally in love with it. It is a full size from IKEA. I actually literally did an entire vlog where I went to IKEA with my boyfriend and we like looked at beds and like laid on them. I actually got yelled at, so I'll link that video down below as well. But this headboard is from Amazon, and then the actual mattress is from IKEA. So are the sheets, which are actually not sheets, it's a duvet cover. I need to get that sorted out. And then this white duvet is from Bed Bath & Beyond. This Mickey blanket is from Disneyland. Pillows, pillows, pillows from Target. This is from Big Lots. And then up here I have this pink star banner from my birthday party, and then I have a pink bathrobe and pink slides. Yes, I've turned really girly. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I'm still cool and a tomboy as well. And then I have my Disney ears. And then this is my favorite part, is all my Polaroids. Doesn't that just look so cute with like the pink tape? I'll quickly show you my 3 favorite Polaroids just because I was gonna show you all of them, but then that would take literally forever. My favorite ones are this one of me in Disneyland at the castle, this one of my boyfriend and I, and this one of my brother and I. Focus! Oh, I love that picture. So then, here's my little art wall. It was all white because I didn't have a tapestry, but I went home and I found things to put up, and this is the result, and I love it. So, starting on this side, I have a Kylie note thing that came with a palette that I just bought. I made this in actually one of my videos. This is from Displaying Costume. Kyle drew this. It's me as Spider-Man. Pretty rad, I know. This is me from Disneyland. This is like my favorite picture on the planet, me and my dad when I was like tiny. And then I drew / painted this picture, that picture, and this one as well. And then this is the Bozzy album cover, a little quote thing, the poster from Justin Gabriel that is signed with the signed badge on it, and then my name that I bought in Hawaii, where he painted it with animal, like sea animal creatures, sea creature things. And then to fill out the space, I just like used some pink washi tape to do designs on the wall. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. I don't know if I said subscribe yet, but do that, turn on post notifications, and comment down below. That is it. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.